If you want to learn how to make this yummy, delicious, spicy udon noodles, keep on watching. Welcome back to another cooking video. Today we will be learning how to make some spicy shrimp udon. Here for our ingredients, we have our udon noodles. We have half an onion, mushrooms, salt, diced garlic, red chili peppers, green onions or scallions. We have our shrimp. We also have our soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and crushed pepper. Now we're gonna cut up our vegetables. First we have our half an onion. You just wanna chop that whichever way that you think is gonna be suitable for your meal. Chilies. I'm gonna cut these in a slanted way. This part is optional. You're not about the spice life, it's okay. You can do without. Next, we're gonna chop up these. First, we wanna take the white part out. We're gonna take the root off of our onion and throw these away. And then we're gonna cut the white parts out. And we're gonna split these into two. Be careful when you're doing this. We're gonna go ahead and chop these into big pieces. So 1, 2 chops. And we're gonna put these in another bowl. After cutting up our vegetable, we're just gonna put salt and crushed pepper to our shrimp because we're gonna be putting other sauces on our noodles and stuff. We don't want to mess up that flavor. So I'm gonna put 2 pinches of salt on our shrimp. And I'm gonna put some crushed pepper. Just a little, not much. And we're gonna sear these on both sides. After seasoning our shrimp, I went ahead and added 3 cups of water to our pot. We're gonna let this heat up, and then we're gonna add our noodles. After boiling for 3 to 5 minutes, you want to go ahead and take your udon out of the water. This was already pre-cooked. I just needed to put it in the hot water to loosen it up. So I'm going to take this out of the pot and strain it. Next, we're going to sear our shrimp. We're going to add some vegetable oil to our pot, and we're going to let that heat up for just a few seconds. And we're gonna add our shrimp. After 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and add our onions with our shrimp. You also want to go ahead, to add your diced garlic. You want to mix this in. You want to go ahead and add the white part from your green onions to the pot as well. And you want to mix this in. And you also want to go ahead and add some chilies to this. We're just going to let this saute with this just for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we're going to add our mushroom to saute with our shrimp, our onions, our chili. And you just want to mix this in. After 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add our noodles. You want to mix this in really well with all your ingredients. Next, we're going to make our sauce on the side. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to our bowl over here. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce to the mix. Actually, 2 tablespoons. I'm sorry. And you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. All of these sauces can be found at your local Asian grocery stores. And we're gonna mix these in together. And we're gonna add this to our noodles. After adding your sauces, you wanna go ahead and mix that in. After adding our sauces, I also went ahead and added Hoisin Sauce to this. I'm sorry about that. I forgot to add that into the ingredient list earlier. That will be in the description box. So after that, you want to go ahead and mix your udon. And you also want to go ahead and add your scallions or your green onions. And you want to mix that in. You also want to go ahead and add your chili. Udon is usually eaten in the Japanese culture. You can use this with shrimp, chicken, either one of those to cook your udon, or beef. Those are your options for meat. After 2 to 3 minutes of cooking, your udon should be ready. Here's the final look of our spicy shrimp udon. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you try this recipe at home, please let us know in the comment. Like our video, give us a thumbs up, share, and please follow us on all of our social media platforms. Thanks for watching.